In this tutorial, I show you how you can change Deepseek theme from dark mode to light mode. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Deepseek chart. And then from here, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom left corner here. If you go ahead and click on it, you see we have this option called settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And under this, you can see the theme and it is currently set to dark. To change this, just click on it and then switch either to system or to light mode depending on what you want. So if you choose any of these, it will go ahead and make the switch. Now, once you are done, go ahead and click this to exit from it and to save the changes. So that's how you switch from dark mode to light mode on Deepseek. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.